So this is a crochet tutorial for my half hexies for my peppermint blanket, which you can find on my channel. This is the size specifically for my peppermint blanket. So here we go. We're going to chain 3 with the same size hook that we used to make the blanket. Now we slip stitch to form a ring. Chain 3. This does not count as a stitch. Now we're going to put in this ring 7 double crochet. So this does not count as a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to turn our work. Chain 3. This does not count as a stitch. We're going to put 2 double crochet in the first stitch. And then 2 double crochet in every double crochet around for 14 stitches. And that last chain 3 is not a stitch, so we're not going to work it. So we turn our work. Chain 3. This does not count as a stitch. I'm going to put 1 double crochet in the first double crochet and 2 double crochet in the next double crochet. One double crochet in the next double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next double crochet, and we're just going to do that around. And that last chain 3 does not count as a stitch, and you should have 21 stitches. You can count. This chain 3 does not count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21 stitches. So now we're going to turn our work. Chain 3. This is going to count as a stitch. So this chain 3 is your first double crochet. Now you're going to put 1 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So you should have 8 stitches. 1, because this chain 3 counts as a stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to chain 2. Go into the next double crochet. Make a stitch. 1 double crochet. And 1 double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 2, hop to our next stitch, and 1 double crochet in each of the next double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the top of this chain 3. Should have 8 stitches. And then 1 on the top of the chain 3. You should have 8 stitches on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your work. Chain 3. This does not count as a stitch. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 double crochet. And then 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. You should have 9 stitches. This does not count as a stitch. So just count the double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stitches. Double crochet to the next chain space. Then 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. And 1 double crochet in each of the next double crochet. You should have 8 double crochet and then 1 double crochet in the top of this chain 3 right here for a total of 9 stitches. You can count. Top of this chain 3, and you can double check by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 1. And fasten off. If you were to join as you go with this half hexie, you would do your chain 3 on the last row. This does not count as a stitch. Make your first double crochet and then start your join as you go from there.